I kept on seeing him look at me while he's with that other girl. Do you think he was just doing that to make me jealous? Because he was totally texting me all night last night, and I don't know what to booty call or not.
Here.
So, like, what do you think?
Nice. That's a keeper. Limits. That's a keeper. No way, there's double header here. Both definitely keepers by the looks of it. There's one. Yep, those are two keeps. Bag them. Oh, that's definitely a keeper. Mason with the big one. Yep, what do you say? Great. Come on, come on. Oh, that's that. We're gonna throw that one back.
Yeah.
But that one right there, that's a keeper. We're gonna have another one here. Oh yeah, by the way, it's fighting. Dude, I bagged that. Ooh. I kind of felt nice off the bottom. Oh, here we go. Oh, no, no, no. This is actually... I mean, no, no. It's not bad. I think I might be tangled in my line over here, though. That one's kicking. Wow. That one fought big. Good for this guy, though.